Good morning, students. Let's begin our science class. Today, in lesson 9, I will explain the topic fertilization. So, first of all, you should know what is fertilization. So, fertilization is the process during which the fusion between the male and the female gamete, that is the fusion between the egg and the sperm, takes place, resulting in the formation of a single celled structure called zygote. The process of fertilization starts when the male gamete, that is the sperm, reaches the female gamete, egg or the ovum, and then one of the sperm fuses with the female gamete or the egg or ovum. After this, when the male gamete reaches the female gamete, then it enters into the female gamete, that is the egg or the ovum, and it and the nucleus of both the gametes undergo the process of fusion. And this process of fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is known as fertilization. Once again, I am repeating, what is fertilization? Fertilization is the process during which the fusion of the male gamete takes place with that of the female gamete. Now, as a result of the process of fertilization, due to the fusion of the nucleus of the male gamete with the nucleus of the female gamete, a single celled structure called zygote, is formed. And during this process, when the new individual develops, that is what happens when the new individual inherits some of the characteristics from the mother and some from the father through the egg and the sperm respectively. And it is due to this reason that the brother and sisters may have some common characteristics which resemble the characteristic of either of the parents. Now, students, after the development of the zygote, this zygote development which has taken place as a result of the fusion of male and female gamete during the process of fertilization, this process of formation of the zygote takes place in the female reproductive organ, that is the oviduct or the fallopian tube. After the development of the zygote travels or it gets transferred into another female reproductive organ that is called as the uterus. And in the uterus, the zygote undergoes several repeated cell divisions, resulting in the formation of a ball of cell-like structure which is known as the embryo. And this development of the embryo takes place in the mother's uterine wall. After the development of the embryo further undergoes several cell divisions, resulting in the formation of the resulting in the development of the tissues and organs. And this stage of the embryo development, when all the body parts can be identified, is called fetus. So what is fetus? Fetus is the stage of development of the embryo when we can identify all the body parts. This is what is called fetus. I hope you have understood the process of fertilization. Thank you and have a nice day.